Hi, this is Charlie with another Ayers Auto Tip of the Week. You get in your vehicle and turn the key. The starter motor kicks in for a moment, but nothing happens. Most people would assume that their car battery died at this point, but it's just as likely that another part is at fault, the alternator. The best way to figure out what's causing your dead battery is to jump-start your car with jumper cables. The electrical current will help get you back on the road and to the nearest repair shop to get professional attention. If your vehicle dies again shortly after recharging, chances are it's your alternator that's at fault.
Join Ayers Repairs Car Club and receive over $780 worth of auto repair services for only $248.95, which is the best car care value. We'd like to thank Ayers Automotive Repair for supporting your moment of trust with timely advice from BBB of the Tri-Counties. Ayers Automotive Repair is a proud member of the Better Business Bureau, providing dependable, trustworthy auto repair services in Santa Barbara since 1979.